Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Painkiller. We are discussing about differential equation and have already completed exact equation and its solution. In our last video, we have done rule number 1 for making a differential equation exact. Don't forget to check those videos if you haven't seen it. Now I am going to discuss rule number 2. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's look into rule number 2. Rule number 2 says if the equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is homogeneous, then one of its if, that is integrating factor, is 1 by mx plus ny. So here if is integrating factor. Integrating factor is a function of x and y which can make a differential equation or reduce a differential equation into exact equation. Now what is homogeneous function? I will discuss it later. So let's take an example to make it more clear. We can see that we have taken an example x square y dx plus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. Now come to the homogeneous part. A function is called homogeneous if all its terms are of same degree. So let's take this. So here we can see its degree is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Here its degree is 3 and its degree is 3 too. So all the degrees, the degrees of all the terms in this equation is same. So we can say that this one is a homogeneous function or homogeneous equation. Now we can see that the given equation is a homogeneous equation. So we can solve it by this rule number 2. So let's solve it by finding out the if. So if, we can see that if is mx plus ny. So let's find out what is m. M is, we can see that x square y is our m and n is minus x cube plus y cube is our n. So let's find out the if, which is mx, m into x, that is x cube y minus ny. So n and y. So cursor, then our is power 4. Now we have to multiply if to the equation to make the differential equation an exact equation. So let's multiply it by the if, which is minus 1 by y to the power 4. So multiplying the equation by minus 1 by y to the power 4, which is our if, to make it exact equation, we get minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube by y to the power 4 plus 1 by y dy equal to 0. So now it is an exact equation and we can solve it by the solution we knew from our video number 1, that is the exact equation and its solution. So let's solve it. Know that the solution is integration of m dx while y is constant and the terms of n not having x dy, integration of that term equal to constant. So let's solve it. So it says that integration of m while y is constant. So y is constant, y cube, and there is minus dx plus the terms of n, that is n ka terms which does not have x. So this portion will get eliminated. Only 1 by y is being considered. So let's solve it. Y is constant here, so minus 1 by y cube will be taken off and x square dx plus this one will be log y equal to, it will be constant. Now we can say that minus 1 by y cube, this will be into x cube by 3 plus log y equal to c, that is constant. So our solution will be log y minus x cube by 3y cube equal to our constant is C. So this is the solution for a homogeneous equation, and we solved it by using rule number 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified when we post our next videos. Thank you. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो पर.